Hey guys, welcome back, and now in this video we're gonna talk about official stable update of Android 9.0 Pie for OnePlus 5 and 5T. This is a staged rollout, so the update will come to based on your geographical location. The update size is 1748 MB for OxygenOS version 9.0. About the changelog regarding the system updated to Android 9.0 Pie, brand new UI for Android Pie, and brand new navigation gestures available for OnePlus 5T only. Updated Android security patch to December, other new features and system improvement, new gaming mode 3.0 and new do not disturb mode. Regarding the camera, they have integrated the Google Lens mode. I did not get the update directly, so if you want to download the update, just use the OxygenOS Updater app and download the update and flash it using local upgrade option or stock recovery. I have updated my phone, so I am skipping the installation process. So finally, reboot sequence has done. Now first let's go to settings, system, about phone. As you can see, Android version is 9 Pie. Android security patch level is from December 1. Build date is of December 23 and build number is 9.0. About the features, the launcher version you get with the ROM is 3.1.4. Now the app drawer customization are under launcher settings, and dark theme applies for OnePlus shelf when the phone's UI is set to dark. Next, new Pie gestures. If we go to buttons and gestures tab, navigation bar and gestures, here now OnePlus replaces the hide the navigation bar option with swipe up on home button. So with this new nav bar, you have only one home pill. When you go to any app screen, the back button appears to its left to the right of the home pill. We have empty space which you can fill with the most useful feature of Android Pie, the accessibility menu. To enable this menu, go to settings, system, accessibility menu under download services and enable use service option. As you can see now, that's a tiny human shaped icon on the navigation bar. This is accessibility menu that can take screenshots, and it can also trigger couple of things like volume slider, power menu, recent app, quick setting notification and Google Assistant. So back to Pie gestures, when you swipe up, you get the recents menu. You can slide it to right or left to access all of them. We have clear all button below the open tabs. The home pill can be used as a slider to switch between the open tab, and for split screen mode, hit the 3-dot menu on any supported app tab and select split screen. About the other gestures, you can turn on camera by pressing the power button twice. You can also activate the quick assistant app by holding the power button for 0.5 second and about 0.3 second for more for power menu. Next, swipe fingerprint for notifications and long press the FP sensor to take a photo. Next, alert slider UI is new and functionality has changed too. Now it's total silence, vibration only or all sound allowed. This is notification and quick settings panel. Quick toggles are circular now, and the style of the quick toggles and notification panel is based on device theme. This is settings panel, and this is a search bar at the top, so there are no separate sections now. First we have network and internet tab. Everything about network is great. 2G, 3G, 4G, VoLTE works, but there is no dual 4G. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth working without any issues, and now with Pie you can add up to 5 Bluetooth connections. Next, under display tab, we have adaptive brightness, which learns your usage by following how you change your brightness in different scenarios, and then it tries to copy that. So for better results, it may take some time to understand. There is a apps and notification tab with recently opened tabs on the top. Pie supports advanced notification control. Here in this tab, you can disable the notification for unnecessary apps. There is a new do not disturb mode, the same we had seen before, which controls the behavior of notifications and adding exceptions to calls, messages and other sounds. This is the new Android Pie volume slider, and by default you can adjust the media volume. You also get option to set your phone to ring, silent and vibrate mode. When you hit the settings icon, you can go to sounds tab, and in this tab there is no separate slider for call volume like Pixel or Android One devices. Under battery tab, this is the new adaptive battery feature which limits the battery usage for infrequently used apps, and this is a new battery saver mode which you can turn it on automatically from 5% to 75%, and below that you can find the battery stats. Under security and location, you can find fingerprint and face unlock option. Both are fast as before. If you go to lock screen preferences, you will get this new show lockdown option, which can disable the fingerprint and smart lock and notification. The only way to unlock your phone is via pattern lock. Next, under utilities tab, this new gaming version 3.0. In this tab, you can answer calls via speaker and how notification will show when gaming mode is on, notification for third-party calls, and disable automatic brightness. Next, you can also add advanced reboot options to the power menu. So for this, first you need to enable developer options by tapping the build number multiple times. Under about phone tab, and next go to system tab, developer options, and toggle advanced reboot option. Next, with Android Pie, you can rotate any app screen without the usage of auto rotate toggle. With auto rotate turned off, just flip your device horizontally or vertically, and then you will see the tiny rotate icon right next to the home pill. Tap it once to change the app orientation to horizontal or vertical. Tap flip your device again, hit the rotate icon to get back to the base orientation states. Next, we have new magnifying glass feature. When you highlight a text, let's say you have highlighted a particular text which contains phone number or web page, the system automatically recognizes text type and shows relevant app action. About the camera app, new camera app version is 3.0.13. Now it has front portrait mode, and they have also integrated the Google Lens in the camera app. But there is no nightscape mode with this update. Talking about safety net, I have tried checking safety net using this app, and safety net has passed successfully. Another thing I really liked about this update is the camera to API is enabled by default like OxygenOS Pie, and it's in level 3, so you can use Google camera and night sight feature of that, which is a good thing in this update. And about benchmarks, the Geekbench score for single CPU core is 1911 and multi-core score is 6620, and Antutu version 7 score is 2,10,436. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it. Hit the like button if you find this video helpful. If you guys have any queries or if you have any issues while installing this ROM, drop a comment, and I see you guys next time.